Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Airtable, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a field in your Airtable? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a field in one of your Airtable bases anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that keeping track of a lot of data can be time consuming, and sometimes you have fields in your bases that just aren't relevant anymore, so you want to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Airtable app. It's this colorful app here on the top center. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my Airtable app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened my Airtable. This is the home screen that's going to show all the different bases that you have in Airtable. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete a field from one of your bases, just scroll through until you find the base you want to work in. For me, I just have this one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the records that you have in that particular base. Now, in order to delete a field, what you're going to do is go ahead and look at the top, so you can scroll back and forth until you see the field. So I have a premier field, number field, expiration field, card field, notes field. So just scroll through until you find the field that you want to delete. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and delete the card field. So all you do is just click on the name of the field. And once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu. And in order to delete this field in your Airtable base, click on delete field. It's here at the bottom in red. All right, next you get this pop-up confirming that you like to delete that field in Airtable. So go ahead and click on the red delete field button. And a quick second later, it refreshes. You'll get that confirmation down here where you can actually undo the deletion as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a field in your Airtable base, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.